The heart beats strong, a steady guide, pumping life through veins so wide. The lungs breathe deep with every sigh, drawing air to help us thrive. The liver works with tireless might, filtering toxins day and night. The kidneys clean with gentle flow, balancing fluids high and low. The stomach churns in acids hold, breaking down each bite that's bold. The pancreas helps with sugar's fight, keeping levels just right. The spleen protects in shadows deep, guarding cells that bloodlines keep. The intestines wind through dark and light, absorbing fuel from morning to night.